Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a cat lover, or even just thinking about inviting a furry feline friend into your life, this video is for you. Today we're diving into a really important topic, diseases that can pass from cats to humans, what they are, how they happen, and most importantly, how you can keep yourself and your family safe while enjoying the wonderful companionship cats bring. Now, don't worry, this isn't meant to scare you. For most people, the risk of catching something serious from your cat is pretty low. But it's always good to be informed, especially if you have little kids, elderly family members, or loved ones with weakened immune systems at home. Think of this as life insurance for your health and happiness with your pet. So, what exactly are these diseases? They're called zoonotic diseases, which simply means illnesses that can jump from animals, in this case, cats, to humans. Picture them as invisible guests, hitching a ride from your cat's fur or even their scratch. Let's start with one of the most well-known cat scratch disease. Ever gotten a scratch from your playful kitty, only to have it turn red, swollen, or painful? That could be a sign of this disease. It's caused by a bacteria called Bartonella henselae, found in cat saliva and fleas. Imagine your kitten chasing a flea and accidentally scratching you. It is actually a common way to get infected. Humans might experience swollen lymph nodes, fever, headaches, or fatigue. The good news? Healthy adults often recover quickly, but if you or someone in your household has a weak immune system, it can sometimes lead to more serious complications. So, a simple way to reduce risk is to avoid rough play and always wash your hands after handling your cat. Next up, let's talk about something less known, but just as important, Pasteurella multocida. Sounds complicated, but it's basically a bacterium living in almost every cat's mouth. Ever been bitten by a cat? This can cause infections that swell and hurt within a couple of days. Most people bounce back with a course of antibiotics, but it is something to be mindful of. Keeping your cat calm and avoiding sudden bites is a smart way to stay safe. Now, let's chat about salmonella. You might have heard of it in the context of food poisoning from undercooked chicken, right? Well, cats can carry salmonella too, especially if they eat raw meat or hunt outside. This bacteria can lead to diarrhea, fever, and stomach cramps in humans. So, feeding your cat commercial or cooked foods and keeping them indoors is a big win for everyone as health. Also, when cleaning litter boxes or gardening, gloves and good hand washing are your best friends. Moving on to parasites, which, honestly, no one loves to think about but are worth knowing. Fleas are the top culprit. They don't just make your cat itchy, they can jump to humans and bring bacteria that cause diseases like cat scratch disease. Imagine fleas as tiny hitchhikers riding your cat around your home. Controlling fleas with regular treatments is essential to break this cycle. Another pesky parasite is scabies, caused by microscopic mites in the skin. These can cause itchy skin conditions in humans if they transfer from an infected cat. Picture waking up with itchy red bumps and scratchy pajamas. If you notice these signs, both you and your cat may need treatment to get rid of these little invaders. Now, intestinal parasites like roundworms and hookworms are another concern, especially for kids who might play outside and unknowingly get exposed to contaminated soil. These worms can cause some serious issues if their larvae migrate inside the body, affecting organs or even the eyes. Imagine your child digging in the garden and then putting their hands in their mouth. That's a common route of infection. Deworming your kittens and adults regularly, plus keeping the environment clean, really helps protect your family. Then there's fungal infections, like ringworm. Despite its name, ringworm isn't a worm, but a fungal infection that causes round, itchy skin patches. Cats with ringworm might look a little patchy with scaly spots, and the spores can stick around on furniture or carpets for months. If you spot this, isolating your cat and thorough cleaning is key to stopping the spread. Finally, let's touch on protozoal infections, the microscopic single-celled organisms like Cryptosporidium and Giardia. These can cause diarrhea and stomach cramps in both cats and humans. While most human cases come from contaminated water or food, infected cat feces can also be a source. Always wear gloves when cleaning litter boxes and wash up well afterward. And of course, we can't forget toxoplasmosis, a parasite often discussed with cats. While it usually causes mild or no symptoms in healthy people, it can be dangerous for pregnant women and those with weak immune systems. Basic hygiene like washing hands after handling soil or cat litter can keep you safe. So, what's the takeaway? Cats are wonderful companions, but a little awareness goes a long way. Keep your cats indoors if you can, feed them safe food, keep up with flea control, and vet visits, wash your hands regularly, and be mindful around scratches and bites. If you ever notice symptoms of any illness, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Remember, being informed allows you to protect both your feline friends and your loved ones without fear, so you can enjoy all the cuddles and purrs worry-free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pet health tips. Share your experiences or questions in the comments. Let us keep the conversation going to help everyone create happy, healthy homes for their cats. Thanks for watching, and take good care of yourselves and your furry family members.